Good afternoon, guys. I'm Chris.Szopa. I'm from Guaranty RV, and I'm your sales consultant. I'm here to talk about the Baystar Sport, the 2702 right behind me. Great information to talk about today. This is the 2021, which means there's significant changes that have taken place on that Ford motor and that Ford chassis. Guys, we are now on the V8 motor. What does that mean to you? All the way up till 2020, we were on that V10 Triton. That was a 460 pound of torque motor with 320 horsepower, 6-speed. Now, we are at 468 pounds of torque, 350 horsepower, 2 overdrives, 7.3 liter motor. This is tremendous. If you're a motorhead at all like me, guys, we know what that means behind the wheel. Put that V10 next to that V8, who's pulling on the line faster than that quarter mile? And in RV, let's not talk about what's really going on there. Anyhow, let's talk about the paint. BASF paint, guys. The BASF paint from Newmar goes through a 14-day cure process at the factory. What does that mean to you besides other manufacturers? Well, this coach doesn't even hit natural air outside that facility to let that paint settle in. To me, I want that glimmer and shine going down the road compared to that other brand looking like a spot, seamless drive like a hummingbird down the lane. 19.5-inch wheels, guys. Now, even though it is a smaller set of wheels, it's got a 50-degree wheel cut, and that residential construction on this motorhome, which is 16 inches on center. Your stud on the actual sidewalls is every 16 inches, and that's a 3-inch size on that sidewall, tucked inside with the batten insulation. Hence why this coach gets so cold within about 3.5 minutes. All that weight from that box construction onto that Ford chassis kind of mitigates it being 19.5-inch wheels. That's a lot of weight on that Ford chassis driving down the road. What does that mean again to you? Less sway, less movement. Driving down the road in a small Class A with that much weight is going to allow you to actually appreciate a calm and settling drive for you and your family. Let's go inside and see what we have to offer with all the new changes and the things inside this coach that are just going to make you go, that's the right one for me. Come on in, guys. So, stepping in to this exceptional new setup, if you take a look at the driver's steering wheel, you can see that Ford went ahead and installed a new steering column and a new digital dash. Looking over to your left on the driver's hand side, you see the equalizer system electric leveling. Right out the gates, this new Dinette cockpit table is right for those stopovers at those rest stops to be able to have a quick lunch, a quick beverage, and then it folds right back down. Let's talk about the sleeping arrangements on this 27-foot coach. For being such a small coach, you actually have a lot of room in here to host guests, have extra sleeping abilities for your grandkids, potential guests, starting right here with this fold and tumble couch. When you guys aren't sitting back and relaxing and sitting on the couch, it takes about 15 seconds to actually unfold the couch, set up that air mattress, and have 2 full-size adults actually have the comfortability to sleep on this couch. Right behind the couch of this fold and tumble is your dinette. On that dinette setup, you can sit 4 comfortably to have a nice dinner, a nice relaxing Sunday at the campground. You can actually sleep a couple kids right on there by pushing the table down, putting the back support mattresses onto the table, and you actually have a small toddler-size, full-size bed there. The Norcold Fridge is your standard 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Now, the way we order it is with the ice maker. So opening up that freezer door, you can see that you have a traditional ice maker in that freezer. Stepping over to the right, it is your traditional kitchen setup. You have your propane oven, 3-burner top, and microwave right above that cooktop. And moving over right to your sink setup, this is a double bucket sink. They're exactly the same size, both stainless steel. So as we actually walk down the galley space, if you look to the roof ceiling, you have centerline ducting all the way down the entire length of the coach. Your returns and your ACs are all down the middle, and the easy access ports for your returns is just a turn of the actual opening, and you can clean the filters as they're easy wash clean filters. So stepping into the bathroom, beautiful upgrades with Newmar, porcelain actual toilet. Your sink setup is across and opposing from your tall cylinder shower. Me being 6'1", 215 pounds, I can do a full 360 in this shower comfortably and not have any of my elbows actually hitting the walls or the glass. And finally, stepping into the master bedroom, we have that east-west slide, which allows the slide to come in from the east side of the coach, and that big rear bay window. Now, this is a true master suite with the sliding door that closes off from the rest of the galley space. This model specifically is the queen bed model because it is 27 feet, and we're giving a lot more galley space to make up for that space in the bedroom. You do have your two large closet doors for tall hanging clothes, anything extra storage wise that you need to place in there, and you have your low mounted pull out drawers under that. So when the slide closes in, it sits right on top of that flush rail. So, hey guys, I really appreciate you spending the afternoon with me, getting to know me a bit so I could show you the 2702 floor plan. This is one of my favorite Baystars, and I'm excited for you guys to reach out so I can show you the coach in person. Guaranty RV is a Newmar servicing dealer on the service side as well, and we have been actually accredited with earning the Malin Miller Award multiple times, and we're actually a recipient of the Platinum Dealer Award as well, which is required of a 95% or higher rating from you guys. So, part of this family, we invite you to come join it. We'd love to see you. Please reach out soon. Thank you.